Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Brown eggs look rustic and natural, so people often assume they're healthier. But the color of an eggshell has nothing to do with nutrition. Today, we're breaking down why egg color varies, what determines an egg's nutrition, and why brown and white eggs are chemically identical inside the shell. At the grocery store, brown eggs usually cost more, look more farm fresh, and get marketed as the healthier choice. Meanwhile, white eggs look plain and industrial. That visual contrast makes it easy to believe brown eggs must be more nutritious, more natural, or higher quality. But the shell color is just a pigment, not a health indicator. Eggshell color comes from the breed of the chicken. White feathered hens with white earlobes lay white eggs. Brown feathered hens with red earlobes lay brown eggs. The brown color comes from a natural pigment called protoporphyrin that the hen layers onto the shell as it forms. It doesn't change the egg's protein, fat, vitamins, or minerals. Nutrition is influenced by the hen's diet, environment, and health, not the shell color. Brown eggs often cost more because the hens that lay them are larger and require more feed. Choose eggs based on freshness and farming practices. The nutrition inside is the same whether the shell is white, brown, blue, or speckled. Some breeds lay blue or green eggs due to a pigment called oceanin, and those eggs are also nutritionally identical to white and brown ones. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.